Buenos dias, mi amores. So I got my Walmart beauty box today for spring, and my husband also went ahead and picked me up some of the Walmart beauty boxes. There was only like 3 that I liked, so he got me exactly those 3. So if you'd like to see what I got in them and what they're about, stay here with me. Alright? So first off, I'm going to go ahead and unbox my Walmart beauty box for spring. The Walmart beauty box is a $5 subscription. It's pretty much you're getting the products for free and you're just paying shipping. And then with this box, you're also only getting it 4 times a year. So spring, summer, fall, and winter. So let's dive in. So first off, there's a card and it says, "Embrace your beauty." I think that's what the last one said. Maybe that's their whole thing. I don't know. Something smells really good in here. And I see what it is right away. And it is this little beauty right here. It is I almost said a beauty bomb. A bath bomb. And it smells so good. It says Unicorn Beach Bath Bomb. The next product in my box is the Earth Blends Moisturizing Body Wash. And it is in coconut and fig. Sounds good. Like I said before, I love getting body washes. Oh, that smells really good. Alright, so the next thing in here is by Nice and Easy. This little card here has a little hair tie, I think. And there is a free coupon in the back for a box of hair color. And I guess that's it. It says rub here, floral scent. It's okay. Not a scent I want to smell. But yeah, there's that. I'll probably give that to my sister. She colors her hair more than me. There's a lot of cards in here. There's a card in here for the body wash. And then there is Naturally Friendly Hello. Sensitivity Relief Fluoride Toothpaste. Soothing Mint with Coconut Oil. More coconut. There's that. I've never seen a tube of toothpaste like this. This is new to me. There's a safety seal. I don't really want to open it, but I'm curious. Just gonna open it a little bit. It smells like mint. And it just looks like toothpaste. I've never seen toothpaste in... I think this is pretty. This is cute. I've never seen toothpaste in a tube like that. This is such a cute little tube. I like it. Okay. The next product in here is Ackee Berry Revitalizing Sleeping Mask. Brightens and renews. It's an overnight mask. I've never wore an overnight mask. And I'm curious to try it, but I'm scared at the same time because last time something broke me out, as you can see. So, but I'll probably end up trying it anyway. It's an antioxidant-rich sleeping mask to rejuvenate and refuel skin energy to restore skin clarity and health. I'll probably try it, but we got a sleep mask. And then the next thing in here, I actually got these in a magazine before. It's a shampoo and conditioner by Garnier. Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Gentle Conditioner. I actually tried one of these. I got 2 of them. I got one in a magazine, and I think I got a sample from Sephora one time. And I tried one so far, and it was okay. It's not like a... I don't know. It's just okay. It's shampoo and conditioner. But there's that, and that's it for the box. And like I said, we got a bunch of cards. Here's about the toothpaste, and here's about the shampoo and conditioner. Apparently there's a couple different flavors. There's active charcoal, natural sweet mint, the one we got, soothing mint with coconut oil, Natural watermelon. That sounds fun. And training toothpaste, so they have one for kids too. That's pretty cool. I've never seen these before. Interested to try that. So I'll be giving that a try for sure. So that was pretty good stuff. Very excited for these too. So I really wanted these when I saw that they came out. I think somebody on YouTube actually posted that these were coming out, which was very exciting to me because I love these boxes because they definitely give you your money's worth. And when I saw them, I wanted all the lips, the latest in lips, I mean, which is this box right here. And when you open it, you can see all this stuff inside, which I thought was pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get into this. I'm actually thinking after here, I'm probably going to create a look because I got a new foundation too. And there's enough stuff here to create a look with. So I'll probably make a video next of a look with all this stuff. So for now, I'm just going to show you the lip stuff and swatch it for you. So the first one I'm going to show you here is Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. Dang, they really sealed these. Alright. So, I haven't had a lippy like this in a long time. In the shape like this. I guess I should have showed you guys the tube. This is the tube. And then there's the applicator. I think the last time I had an applicator like that was high school. And there is the color. It's like a sheer nude. It's very pretty, very creamy. Smells good. The next one is Hard Candy Sugar Sugar. $13.90 is what it's called. The packaging is really cute. This is, it's very big, but it's very cute. Looks like that. This is a plumping serum. Feels very thick. It smells good too. That's a pretty little pink. It's a nice sheer pink. I like that. And then the next one, I've been wanting to try these, so I'm happy there's one in here. I usually always tend to go for the darker colors, but I'm happy nonetheless. And is this Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline New York. And it's in the color Dreamer. They all smell good. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty color. See, these are more my pinks than that one we got in the Lola box. That was too bold for me. Like, that is pretty. That is really pretty. I like that. The next one is by L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, and this is in the shade, it's very tiny, I think it says Statement Nude, and this is what it looks like. It's cute. The applicator is very flimsy on this one, but the color is very pretty. It's a nice little nude brown. I like that. I'm liking all of these so far. And the next one is Milani, which I haven't tried any other stuff yet, and it is in the color Adorable. Oops, I didn't show you guys the. That's what it looks like. This one's a little stronger, but it still smells good. These are really pretty colors. I'm so happy. Look at that. I like that. And then the last one, whoops, it's by e.l.f. and it's a regular lipstick looking thing. And I think this one was a lip scrub, yeah. That's what it looks like. And I think it has like sugar or something in there. Kind of dark. But that's it for that one. For eyes, which looks like this. When you open it, there's everything. I haven't worn lashes in forever, so I don't know if I'll even get to wear those lashes. And I don't even own glue anymore. I think the last time I wore lashes was in my like early 20s maybe. So in here, of course, it's all about the eyes. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is an e.l.f. product. It is called the e.l.f. Essentials Brow Wax Pencil. It's to use on the brow to put them where you want them. It's just a clear wax applicator. That's cool. I haven't tried any of that, so curious to see how that works. The next thing are, of course, the lashes. The lashes are by Kiss. Yeah. And they're called Little Black Dress. They're pretty. They look very full. But like I said, I don't know when I'll be able to wear those. I haven't worn lashes in forever. But there'll probably be a time. The next thing is by Almay. And it's called an Almay Shadow Squad. And for some reason, mine is all white. I'll show you in a minute when I get it open. This is what I got. I thought I would get one with more colors because that's what I've seen. But mine is in all white. So apparently you're supposed to get a satin, a matte, a metal, and a glitter. So I guess this is a matte. I can't really tell the difference. They are all white. I cannot tell the difference, guys. Okay. Well, I can't be too disappointed. But in a way, I am a little bit, because it's all white. But there's that. The next product is stock. It is a CoverGirl True Naked Nudes. And it's an eyeshadow palette, which I think is pretty. It has an applicator in there that I probably won't use. That's what they look like. So they're nice and creamy, I will say. So here is the first four. Get that white off, I guess. They're a little chalky, but at the same time they're nice and creamy. Like when you blend them in, they turn into like a cream color. Those are very light. And then the next four pretty. Especially this one. It's like a metallic brown, coppery color. So they're not bad for what they are. This product is a Voluminous Mascara by Lash Paradise. Never heard of them. Oh no, it's by L'Oreal. L'Oreal Paris. Typical drugstore applicator, like I like to call them, because I think they all look very similar. And then the last product is a Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. So there's some good stuff in that box. Definitely wasn't disappointed by that box either. I liked everything. Even the white eyeshadow. I'll figure it out. And then the next one is Love My Curls. I have naturally curly hair, so I thought, why not give this a try? Looks like that, and like the other ones, you can open it to see all the products. Let's go ahead and open. This is actually already open. Whoa. It's heavy and there's a lot in here. So the first product I see is a coconut milk and organic honey. And this is quenches and controls frizz for all curly hair types. And that's what it looks like. So, Curl Care Deep Conditioner. So this is a deep conditioner. There's a lot in there. Like, this little packet is full. Probably have that for 2 uses. Wow. Never had a packet that full before. The next packet is Curls Unleash Shea Butter and Mango Leave-In Conditioner, Hair Softener and Moisturizer for Naturals. That's what that looks like. This one's pretty full too. I'm liking those. And then I'm going to pull out the John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Touch-Up Cream. That's the other thing we got in there. And I don't know if I told you, but these boxes were like 10 bucks each, which is not bad for the stuff that you get in here. Then the next product is by Maui, I think it's called. And this is a shampoo. This is Moisture, Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo. There's a conditioner. Let's smell those. They smell really good. I didn't smell this. This smells good. Very last product that's in there is also by Shea Moisture, Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. Moisturize and curl define thick curly hair. That's what that looks like. This is some good stuff. I'm excited. This one is actually also sealed, surprisingly. This one smells pretty good. I like this one. And I guess this is just like a hair lotion. Our Curl Enhancing Smoothie Enriched with silk protein and neem oil, defines curls, reduces frizz, and smooths hair for a soft, silky feel. Coconut and neem oil restore moisture and create brilliant shine. Nutrient-rich vegetable butters condition hair without weighing it down for bouncy, healthy curls. Sounds good to me. So those were my boxes, and I'm very pleased with them. I'm very happy with them. I don't have anything negative to say about them. I'm very excited to try everything out. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I am going to make a video of trying everything out. I'm going to create a look for you guys. And if you want to watch that, make sure you stay tuned for that. So, like always, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and join my little YouTube family. And have a great weekend. Love you guys.